Actually, madam,
Apo.
ma'am,
Yes,
wala
Your
po
Honor.
eh. Now you're talking about those who, mga disclaimer ng family. Now, ang tanong ko po, is it documented, under oath? Do you have a document for that? Or just a mere media reports?
Alin po, sir, yung tinatanong po ninyong documented or
Hindi,
media
yung
reports?
sinasabi mo na may mga families of victims na dininay, na-refute yung claims.
Posted po ng mga
Ayun nga
kamag-anak
problema,
nila, and
posted
then,
sa social
opo,
media.
and
Ang sinasabi ko, madam, baseless yan kasi based on our investigation, and unless otherwise, you can have a document under oath that indeed a certain family of victims clarified and dispute that data.
Okay po, Your Honor, noted po. Next
noted?
time. Yeah, noted
Anong
po
noted?
noted po na,
Tinatanong po kita kung may dokumento ka bang hawak, wala.
tulad po ng sagot ko kanina,
Hindi,
Your
sandali,
Honor.
you answer my question, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, I'm trying to answer, Your Honor.
Sandali po.
Apo.
Yes or no? Do you have the document under oath?
Sir, like I said,
Andale, yes or no? Remember, I am just asking you if you have the document or not under oath.
of the family who
Yeah.
reported?
Yeah.
None, sir.
Oh, none.
It's
Oh.
on the, like I said, it's a...
So
they-
none. You don't have.
Okay, sir. Next time po,
What's
kukuha
next
po
time?
next time po, bago po tayo magsulat ng mga ganon, kailangan kumuha po muna tayo ng mga dokumento under oath. At hindi tayo basta magbabase sa sinasabi
Chair.
ng mainstream media.
Okay.
Mr. Chair,
Thank you.
let me continue on the
Representative
statement
Abante.
he said.
Yes.
Sinabi niya, facts to nakalagay, facts. Many are completely unrelated to drugs or EJKs. Some of them are still very much alive. You said you do not have any documents on that. Now look, Miss
MJ na lang po. Para hindi po
Miss MJ,
po.
you are accountable to the victims and you are accountable to us in the Quadcom. Pinasinungalingan mo kami. Pinasinungalingan mo ang mga victims. Now look, if you do not apologize right now, you listen.
Yes, Your Honor.
If you do not apologize, I am going to make a motion to hold you in contempt.
I apologize, sir. And tulad nga po ng sabi ko kanita, sa susunod po ay maghahanap na lang po muna tayo ng mga under
Yun.
oath. At
Okay
hindi
to,
po
ha?
tayo magre-rely sa mga balita ng news.
Salamat
na lang.
po.
Okay po.
Kaya
Maliwanag
fake news. Yun ang ibig sabihin non fake news. Ito, tutuloy ko
Maraming salamat din po, Your Honor.
Ito sinabi nyo, ikaw, binanggit mo na ito and this is something that you should apologize also. Anong sabi mo? Do not let these criminal forces twist reality to turn a strong, decisive leader into a monster. Now let me ask you, who are these criminal forces?
Ms. MJ, please answer.
Okay. I have this, kasi tulad ng sabi ko, ito po ay mga reaction at opinion ko lamang.
Well, therefore you apologize because this is
okay
not
po,
true.
sir. Okay, sir. I apologize.
Okay, Mr. Chair, this is the second time that Miss MJ has apologized. I hope that next time, kayong mga vloggers, wag kayong magbibigay ng opinion lang, impression ninyo. Ibigay niyo yung katotohanan, may dokumento kayo. Sapagkat meron kaming documents to show Naiinsulto ko, I am insulted with your statement. Being the chairman of the Committee on Human Rights and one that's investigating, I am actually insulted with your statement.
Again, my apology, sir, and noted po sa mga suggestions po ninyo. At gusto ko lang din pong sabihin na yung pong post has nothing to do with you. Hindi po, it has nothing to do with, pasensya na po.
Well, Mr. Chair, Maraming salamat, no? Yung binabanggit mong nothing to do with me, pero yung tinawag mong criminal forces, kasama kami dun eh. Ikaw naman, mag-isip naman kayo. Ang hirap nito, Mr. Chair, itong mga vloggers na iba, ito ang mga tanga eh. Tatanga-tanga ang gobyerno. Mag-isip kayo. Hindi lang sumusulat kayo kung anong gusto nyo isulat dyan. You're telling us, yung criminal forces, gusto kong sabihin ngayon, Mr. Chair, publicly, ikaw ang tanga.
Okay, Your Honor, pero
Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman.
Representative Ponduano.
Mr. Chairman, just a matter of protocol, may I move to strike out the statement of the Chairman Abante
Second.
addressed to MJ.
Second, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Any objection? There being none, the uttered words is stricken off. Any further questions?
I rest, Mr. Chair, and thank you so much. I'm not angry at you, Miss MJ. We're just ferreting the truth here. Ano?
okay, Your Honor. Pero again, hindi ko po alam kung saan niyo po nakukuha yung idea niyo na kayo yung criminal forces. Hindi po. Anyway, again,
Ikaw ang Mr. Chair.
Okay po, sir.
Ikaw ang
My
sumulat eh.
apologies. Yes. Okay. My
Sinulat
apologies,
mo
sir.
yun eh.
Okay po. Tanga po ako, sir.
My goodness.
Okay, we now proceed to the next interpellator. May I recognize Representative Franz Castro. You have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. So, palamigin muna natin yung mood. Meron po ba ditong, Mr. Chair, representative from Facebook and Meta?
Unfortunately, they have sent a letter on Facebook. They could not attend. And I think, do we have a representative from Meta? Facebook? Wala nga. There are no representatives.
Okay, so related ito, Mr. Chair, doon sa interpellation ko last time when we had the hearing related to my account na tinake down ng Facebook and Meta or Meta. So, nabalik na, Mr. Chair. Nabalik na yung aking yung aking Facebook account, yung official Facebook account na nilagyan na may nilagay na impersonation. So, gusto ko lang sanang malaman, Mr. Chair, no, yung paano ba yung proseso, no? So, syempre nagreklamo ako for almost a month, no? Pinag-aralan siguro at naibalik na. So, gusto ko lang malaman, Mr. Chair, yung proseso. Siguro by next time na lang po. Okay, sa TikTok. Thank you, Pichi, din sa pagturo mo sa akin ng pagre-report. Ang dami kasi, Mr. Chair, na marami ding mga mga account sa TikTok na talagang talagang fake. Gumagamit pa nga sila ng AI, no, na talagang fake. So kagaya po ng Facebook ng TikTok, Mr. Chair. So paano nyo ba nadidetermine? Paano ba nadidetermine yung lumalabag doon sa inyong community standard? Kasi wala bang Mr. Chair, wala bang mechanisms ang mga social media na parang automatic yun kapag nagkaroon ng ganong violation based on your standard ay natitake down na. Kasi katulad na sinabi kanina, Mr. Chair, ni PCO Secretary, there must be a mechanisms, no? Yung halimbawa, yung mga saying bad words, ayan, yung mga information na hindi naman totoo, no? Yung mga fake information. So, aside from yung sinasabing iba pang mga standard, wala bang pwedeng magawa? Halimbawa, ang TikTok o ang YouTube, meron ba ritong YouTube? Wala din.
Wala din ang YouTube.
Oh, sige. Si Pichi na lang yung So, do you use also AI dun sa pag-check? Kasi na-found out ko yung Meta at Facebook, parang AI lang yung nagde-determine eh. Pag nagreklamo ka, saka siguro nila titignan. Kaya lang,